Start with the water. Gonna get a potable hose, fish it up through the bottom of this. Same deal as the electrical thing, you just spin this to pop it out. Then we're gonna put our elbow on it. And the elbow is gonna go this way. That goes in there, make sure everything's tight. Goes down there. And on the other end, we have our pressure gauge, which, if in case the campground's water pressure is too high, this will limit the pressure. So this is what goes on the campground spigot. And you can tell on the filter there's a flow arrow, so we want the water to flow that way. So that's all snugged up on the spigot. And then this end of the hose gets snugged up on the bottom of the filter. Make sure that's all tight. Probably don't need this little piece, but whatever. Then we're just gonna pressurize that. So we can hear it going into the water pressure, and then it stops. So I'm gonna open that all the way and then turn it back a half a pull, and then we can see that the pressure is in a good spot where it's not gonna blow any seals or anything in the camper. So that's perfect. There's a water pump switch here. You do not need this on when you are on city water pressure. The water pump is only if you're off city water pressure and you're trying to use the water in the freshwater tank. You do not need this on if the hose is hooked directly up to the city water pressure. This is the water heater switch. So a half hour before you want to do dishes for the shower, you can turn this on, and then this will turn on to show you that the water heater's running. This uses the propane, so just be aware of that. Don't leave it running the entire time. Just try to keep it on when you expect to use hot water before a shower or dishes, and then when you're done, please come back and turn it off. And the light hopefully should remind you that it's on.
Show us how it works.
Bathroom's just got a foot pedal. Flushes it, and then if you push down a little bit, it adds the water without flushing.